The game is whoever stands a chance to be the last person on this place stands a chance to win everything that is here.
Winner take all with the bread.
Yes, winner take all.
Eh? Winner take all.
Winner take all.
Let's go.
So are you guys ready?
The bread ready.
Yeah, Brad join.
The bread join.
Yeah, Brad join.
Let's go. You guys are come.
Everything.
One bullet is for me.
All right, come more close. You get some person where they may not hit our car. Are you last now? Game start. We have soda here. Wait. We have soda here. At your right side. You have malt. In the middle. We have Fanta at your left side. Have you memorized it? Yes. Are you guys okay now? Soda, malt, and Fanta. Game start. Malt. Malt. Fanta. If you go slow, you're out. Fanta. Fanta. Soda. Fanta. All right, one person is out. Make sure you relax. All right, are you there? Fanta. Don't hold anybody. Fanta. I'm not giving any yellow card on this game. Fanta. And don't forget, I can use words to say it when I call the name. So I can be saying it with words, but once you hear any of the items on the word, you will jump. Do you understand? That's another trick you need to know. So Fanta. So Fanta. Soda. Out. Somebody, yeah. You're out already. I don't need to tell you to go out. So are you ready? Are you ready? Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Soda. Malt. Fanta.
Hello everyone. I would like to congratulate my friends at OneXBet. They have been dominating the betting scene for over 15 years, and when it comes to big odds, OneXBet have serious odds that can lead to some big wins. And the best part is you can be rest assured that your winnings are safe with guaranteed payouts by OneXBet. Oh, and don't forget to use my promo code odira and get new mega bonus on first deposit of 6,000 naira. But that's not all. There is other games like slot, aviator, and others that is definitely everyone's liking, especially with such nice bonuses. Why wait? Immerse yourself into the world of betting with OneXBet right now. Just click the link. Let's turn fun into wins, friends.
Are you there? She's out already. So on malt. Malt. Soda. Out. We have how many people remaining? 5 people. Are you ready? If Faye is still there, it's gonna be a challenge. Soda. Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Malt. Fanta. Malt. Soda. Fanta. Out of the game. Are you ready? Are you ready? Fanta. Soda. Fanta. Soda. Malt. Fanta. Soda. Malt. Soda. Malt. Soda. Malt. Soda. Malt. Soda. Malt. Malt. You want to come out the leg? You want to come out the leg? You want to come out the leg? You want to chop them off? All right. Yes, now. Spanner again to win this game. Now what for now? Game start. Mort. Fanta. Mort. Fanta. Mort. Fanta. Soda. Mort. Soda. Now wow. These people don't want to move on Fanta.
Yellow card, but continue.
I don't give you a card. Once you do it, you're getting out of soda. Fanta. Now wow, what is happening? Spanner is like you want to drink soda. You're slow. You're slow. Okay, one for you. But you're slow. No. You move, but a little bit slow. But you're a little bit slow. Don't do it next time on Fanta. After.
Don't give my career. Spanner is consulting the gods.
All right. We have just Spanner and the only girl on the game. So, are you ready? Relax. Let me ask this question. Do you want to share it or you want winner take all? Both of you.
Winner take all.
Listen, I'm not asking you.
With that greed, I don't come out.
Do you want to share it within yourself or you want winner take all?
Share.
No, winner take all.
Because of the game, I'm saying winner take all. Let's go. Unless the winner want to share with you.
It's left for the winner.
It's left for the winner to share with you. Game start. Soda. Fanta. Fanta. Mort. Soda. Fanta. Mort. Soda. Fanta. Mort. 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 Coke. Alright, that's the end of the game. Spanner won.